Carrot oil. And why did I laugh? Okay, I just remembered those people that do hawk. Okay, now I'm serious. I'm about to take you people through an experiment on how I came about this carrot oil. And before then, let's introduce ourselves. So yeah, I'm Chema Vanessa. I'm a new mom and I film about everything surrounding mom life. So yeah, straight away I made coconut oil. That is it over there, and it was like one of the best oil anybody can use for hair. And this time around for baby's hair. Oh my goodness. I think about this coconut oil and I'm like, how is it so different from the ones that I have randomly seen or bought? I mean, difference in fragrance. The smell is out of the world. Once you just apply it, everywhere just starts. Okay, this is not about it. Let's go to our carrot oil. So I watched a couple of videos. I was like, okay, how do they make carrot oil? I saw and read all the benefits of carrot oil for hair, particularly, and baby's hair. And I thought, okay, girl, you can do it. You did coconut oil the other time, it came out beautifully well. Why can't you do this? So I set to work. This is me. I grated my carrot. Whoever told me two carrot alone was enough for this, I don't know. I brought my coconut oil because again, I needed a rich oil. And I also realized that most people that do carrot oil use coconut oil. And Viola, I already have a coconut oil I prepared. I'll link that video so you can watch it. Like it's the absolutely easiest thing to do. And I never knew. Hey, okay. Let me not digress again. So I grated my carrots and then I poured into my oil. I also learned that at least the oil should cover the carrots. Yeah. The carrot shouldn't be more than it. So that's the reason why I said, okay, I'm going to just use two. I washed two carrots and I started out mission. It has started boiling, yeah, or should I say frying or heating. Anyways, it's doing the work. And I came back, I stared, I looked at this, and I don't know whether this is actually um correct. I mean, if this is actually where I'm supposed to have stopped. But a part of me still said, continue heating this. You need to extract all the juiciness from this carrot. You need to. I don't know. Hey, you guys. Drop in the comment section. Am I the first person doing it this way? Or but let's not even lie. The carrot oil was it was giving. I mean, at the end, it was giving. But there was something I noticed here, and I'm like, is it about my carrots or about my lightning? I realized that most of the videos I've watched, their carrot oil is always bright, like very colorful. Just looks like normal oil, carrot juice. You know the color. It just looks like that color. But mine is giving this. It's giving the orange color, but this orange. I don't know how to explain it though. Maybe burnt orange. Okay, it now makes sense. Yeah, burnt orange, burnt carrot on the fire. Okay, I didn't tell you. I skipped the part. I actually, why does this video look very unserious? This is YouTube, oh, not Instagram. Vanessa, what's going on? Okay, back to back. Hey, goodness. Back to what I wanted to say. Yeah, I actually ended up using about 10 carrots. 10, because by the time we went to the fire, and you can see the size of my carrot really small. By the time we went to the fire, I could not see it again, so I had to quickly grate more, and then I poured inside here. And then afterward, when I felt like that's heated enough, I've extracted everything I needed to extract, I had to now like sieve. The last time when I was working with coconut oil, I know I sieved with my normal sieve, and after a day or two, I realized there was a bit of sediment down the bottle, just. So I just felt like, okay, I need something much more very very something that can do the perfect job for me. Yeah, so I got my wig cap. There are better things to use. Yeah, So I got a new wig cap that I had not even used. I brought it out and I like, because I know I've seen it as well that people use it. So it worked perfectly well, perfectly well. No sediment this time around. It's just perfect. So your girl did. I don't know. I just feel like you're too much, girl, because everywhere was just oh my god. I feel like the only reason why I think I did this so well it's just because of the natural flavor, the natural fragrance. It's so like as if I wrote perfume. So you guys try this. It's harmless, like natural. Just try it. Make it. Do yours better. You don't have to fry it till you get bored. Okay, just do yours better. And yeah. Till I come your way again, just pardon me for today's video here. All right, bye.